Hello, Year 3. Today we are going to be finding number of days in each month. Now, I've got our In Focus book, our guided practice book, and you might recognise what this thing is. Now, it says January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. What do we call this? A collection of all the months with different days below it. It's called a calendar. Now, if we look at the months, Ravi says that each month has 30 days. Is he right? Let's check. January has 31 days. February on this calendar has 28 days. March has 31. April has 30. May 31. June 30. July 31. August 31. September has 30. But October has 31, November has 30, and December has 31. Then after December, we go right back to January. So Ravi is not right. We have different number of days in each month. Now, we need to remember how many days are in each month. There are 30 days in some months, like April, June, September, and November. There are 31 days in other months, like January, March, May, June, August, October, and December. But February is a very special month. There are 28 days in February, but sometimes there are 29 days. Now let's have a little look and see if we can notice the pattern. So in 2012, there was 29 days. Then 2013, 14 and 15, there was 28 days. Then 2016, it was 29 days again. 28, 28, 28. And then this year, 2020, was 29 days. Can you find the pattern? How many years is it from February having 29 days to the next February having 29 days? It's 1, 2, 3, 4 years. Also, if you look at the last two digits of the year, you will notice that they are all in the 4 times tables. So 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, and 4 times 5 is 20. So if the last two digits of the year are in the 4 times tables, then we know it's going to be a leap year, and there'll be 29 days. So can you work out when the next leap year is going to be? So at the minute it's in 2020, it's going to be 4 years until the next one. It's going to be 21, 22, 23, 2024. Well done. Now we're going to write a little cheat sheet again today to help us with our guided practice and with our big book. Now some of you might know the rhyme that 30 days has September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31 except February alone. So 31, 31, 31, 31, 31, 31, 31, which has 28 each year and 29 in a leap year. Now, you might actually be able to find a calendar in your house which you could use to help you as well. Ask your mums and dads if they have a calendar that you could use, or even you might have one on their phone they might let you borrow to check your answers. Now, guided practice questions number 1. Charles took the entire month of March to complete a project. How many days did he take? So we're going to look at our calendar again, and we're going to look for January, February, March. How many days does March have? 31. So he took 31 days. Question number 2. Lulu took 2 months to read a collection of 8 books. How many days did she take? Does it matter which 2 months it was? So let's have a look. That's quite a complicated question. if she was reading in January and February, it would matter which year it was, because it might be a leap year with 29 days or a different year with 28 days. If she was reading in March and April, it would take 31 and 30, which makes 61. But if she read in July and August, it would be 31 and 31, which would take 62 days. So we can't answer that question because it matters which months they were. Now you've got 2 pages to do in your big books today. I hope you found them okay yesterday. I will add the answers on again at the end. Make sure you don't look at them until you've answered all of the questions and you've checked your work. Be careful and check if it's asking you how many days there are in February, that you check which year it is talking about. Okay, year 3, good luck.